Make a great choice today with the 2026 Honda HR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, automatic air conditioning, cloth seat trim, compass, low tire pressure warning. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.